Hello and welcome to Core Finance, and my guest today is Ronnie Chopra of Wall Street Wires. Welcome back to the studio, Ronnie.
Thank you.
Today we're going to have a little divergence from your usual concentration on FTSE 100 stocks and look at Columbus Energy, which is a small cap.
Yes, it's a very small company. It's on the AIM market. Not something I generally look at, but just over the last few days, these have picked up quite sharply, as we can see from last week. These were languishing at around 3 pence, and they're now a smidgen under 4. So yeah, that's quite a sharp rally.
With spread volumes as well, from the look of it.
Yes.
Wow.
It's a small company, so the spread is still sometimes quite wide. But the potential of the company and the management have impressed me. There's a new CEO called Leo Kutz, who's Dutch and who's just joined Columbus earlier this year, and he's making some good noises about the company, and he seems to be very passionate. It's an oil company that does onshore drilling in Trinidad, which I didn't really know that they had much oil in Trinidad, but they do. And they've been fairly successful in their find, and by the end of this year, they're predicted to be cash flow positive. The company's only got a market cap of around 21 or 22 million pounds. But Leo Kutz has said that he wants his company to be worth in excess of 500 million at some stage.
Which would put the share price a little higher than that.
Well, it would 25 times that market cap, make them £1 a share. They've had quite a rocky past, so I think that, well, the house broker, VPS, have a 25 pence target on them. So even if they get to 25 pence, you know, that's
still a five-fold increase.
That's right. That's some achievement.
They are.
But it's just that it's quite interesting how they've really picked up in the last few days.
Yes, so it sounds like people are beginning to believe the story.
I think so. And also, like I met the CEO a few months ago, and he impressed me. And as I was saying earlier, he is passionate about the company. He's cut costs. I mean, one of the first things that he did when he got in was moving premises. And by doing that, apparently they've saved 2/3 of what they were spending beforehand. So he's one to cut costs. Very bullish on the company, he is. We've had a sharp increase in the price of oil as well in the last couple of months, where we're back around the $55 a barrel on Brent. So that too obviously bodes well for the company if the price of oil can sustain at these levels. Yeah, it's just an interesting one. I wouldn't put the house on it, but you know, a little punt, perhaps.
And certainly, potential upside is making that a very rewarding penny stock type of investment.
Yeah, especially as they are predicted to be cash flow positive by the end of the year, and they should start to earn some decent money.
Well, thank you very much indeed for bringing Columbus Energy to our attention.
Thanks.